Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, coming back at you with another tech review. We're going to review the iwalk wireless power bank with the flexclip. So let's check it out.
Get strong.
Full disclosure, this product was sent to me free of charge for review, and they are not sponsors. I will always give my honest opinion on any products or services that I review. I always maintain or reserve that right. In this review, we're going to look at the iwalk Link Me Air with flexclip. So, what's inside the box? First thing you'll notice inside the box is the 3,000 milliamp power bank. One USB-C cable, one iwalk information, warranty, instructions, and one welcome guide or user manual, and also one flexclip tab attached to the back of the iwalk power bank. Some of the main features: it has a compact size. It has a 3,000 milliamp battery. It will give you approximately 60 to 80% extra charge. It is universally compatible with all Q-enabled wireless phones. It has a wireless output of 5 watts. Input 5 volts, 2 amps. It weighs 7.7 ounces. And it has pass-through charge capability, which means that you can charge it, the power bank, and the phone at the same time. The build quality is made out of hard plastic, a good design with a very small footprint. It feels very lightweight and nice in the hand. This one has a flex clip attached to it, which is also made out of hard plastic, and more about the flex clip later. So please hang around until the end of the video, because I will show you a preview of the review of some great flex accessories that you can check out. On the top, you'll see that there are some serial numbers. On the front, you see the logo, the iwalk logo. And on the bottom, you see 3 components. You see the power, the USB-C, and 3 LED light indicators. And on the back, you'll see the flexclip tab. It's already nicely secured and attached. To operate or to charge your phone, you simply click on it, and then you'll notice that the 3 LED lights comes on. Now it charges the phone. To stop charging, you simply double tap and that will turn it off. Before we put this bad boy into action, let's talk a little bit about the flexclip. Now, it's a very clever little device because as it is flexible, which means that you can attach it to, and it's a clip. It means that you can easily clip it on or unclip it. And And no, they didn't pay me to say that, but I do get it. You have your flexclip tab, and you also have your flexclip base. Now, very simply, the flexclip tab goes inside the flexclip base, and you see how it attaches. Of course, you attach this to your device, and then you attach this to your case. So let's see how it works. So, as you can see, I've attached it to the case here. This is for my iPhone XR. Power tab with the flex tab. Put it in like so. And you see that it is connected. You'll notice that there's maybe 1/8 of an inch of space in there between the flex, between the power bank and the phone case itself. But you can see that it is firmly secured. It seems to be pretty firm. Now, let's put the phone in. The phone is in. Now, let's see if it will charge up. So we're going to turn the power button on the back of the phone and turn it over, and you see that charging symbol came up. So yes, it does charge and it does work. Does it work with the Google Pixel phone? Let's check it out. So I have my Google Pixel phone Q enabled, and I have it attached, and as you can see, it firmly fits nicely, just as it did on the iPhone. So let's turn it on. Voila! It does work with the Samsung Note phones also. So my final thoughts on the power bank and the flexclip. The power bank has a good design. It's lightweight, very comfortable. The 3000 milliamp battery is not really enough power for a power user like myself. But it's a great battery to have in a pinch for emergency situations. I think what makes this whole setup worthwhile is the flexclip. It's very durable, easy to use. It has a tight grip, and it seems like the glue will last a long time. It connects to the tap. The tap and the base connects quite well, making it a very nice, firm fit. So I think it'll last. Now, even if you don't want the iwalk power bank, to be honest with you, you can't go wrong with this flexclip. And with that being said, I promised that I would show you some other things that you can use this product for, some more accessories. So let's check them out right quick. All right, they also have a minimalistic rigid wallet with the flexclip tab connected to the back of it. They also have a flex clip attached to a ring. Some wireless earbuds. So all of these products will be reviewed in my next video. So if you want to see these reviewed, please subscribe, hit the like, ring the bell, share, and comment. A link for the products to his website will be in the description below. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
strong.